In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get a web browser here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do from the PS5 home screen is actually select on the settings gear up in the top right corner, and you're going to see a network option on here. Go ahead and select that. From here, hit connection status and then hit view PlayStation network status to open up a page that looks like this. And you'll notice that you can't actually change the web browser up at the top despite how many times you try. Just scroll down on this page and you're going to see two different tabs. In here, you're going to see about us and blog. Go ahead and select on both of these options, and what you're looking for is an option to go to YouTube through them. In my case, mine is on blog. Sometimes it's on about us, but essentially open both of these, scroll down, and what you're looking for is a stay connected option. Select YouTube and it's going to redirect you to YouTube. And from here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is hit the sign in button up in the top right once it appears. Don't worry, we're not actually signing in. Hit privacy instead. And then from here, select these little app icons up in the top right corner and then select Google search. This is going to redirect you to Google. You're now going to have a web browser on here and you could really search whatever you would like. I'm just going to go ahead and search for my own channel, just to show you that this does work. So when you search for it, you'll see you will now be on Google and you could really do whatever you would like. Now, just for example, I'll go ahead and even though everything is just YouTube links on here, since we just uploaded a ton of YouTube videos, I guess open up images and boom, as you can see, this is a bunch of my stuff. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. I actually don't know what this is right here. What the heck? If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.